But what we do know about periodontal disease or gum disease is now that it's got bigger public health issues associated with it. So there's definitely now a very, very significant association, particularly with cardiovascular events like heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. Certainly high blood pressure and other autoimmune problems. We're starting to see in the literature and in the research showing that, you know, a lot of these problems are associated with people with undiagnosed and untreated gum disease. And in fact, now up at the Prince Charles Hospital here in Brisbane, where they do a lot of heart-lung transplant surgery, they will not operate on anyone unless they get a dental clearance for these reasons now. They just won't do it. So we're learning a whole bunch of things about this chronic inflammatory load that's placed on the body from gum disease, not only to cause tooth loss, but can cause these other public health issues as well.